Yeah. Thing's gonna be stripped down one of these days soon. Had unexpected rotten mess at the new location. Fixing all of that. Building a small room to come out over the air compressor sandblasting booth. Yeah. Got a mess right now. Y'all know how I keep it. We're gonna make it orderly, nice and clean. There's the 65 Riviera. I'm not gonna do a walk around right now. I'll do a separate video for that. That's gonna be a full-on restoration. All this needs to be cleaned up first. So yeah. And here's my new work area over here. Same thing for it. A lot of stuff in here. It's gonna come out the next few weeks and start setting it up. Here's the next Impala. So all this is going to go. I'm going to build my work table against that wall, sewing machine. And these are temporary tables. I've done a couple odd and end jobs in here. And, yeah, got projects everywhere. So look forward to this one next. Thought it was going to be the full interior, but it's just parts here and there, kind of halfway through. There's a nice little car. And a headliner, suede headliner, front seats, some repairs on the door panels, and a stereo install. Nothing major. And do some cleaning up. Here we are. Yeah. Could be overwhelming, but I already know. Just a little at a time. I was hoping I already had this set up by this time. But unforeseen projects started around me, so we're going to knock them out. Get this stuff cleared out. Much love, and I appreciate all my viewers, subscribers, friends, all the above. I look forward to working on many more cars, helping you guys out. Looking forward to working on my own too, so you'll be seeing some paint jobs from me in the future too, down the road. Yeah. Peace to the next one, and on and on. Much love.